cleaning all day, and I forgot that I got this package last night. It's the Glamlite Mikayla Paht 2 collection. Let's open it to see the gold. Fun fact, gold is my favorite color of jewelry, and I love green. Okay. Oh, shiznits! Oh! I love it! So what fell out was the Glamlite Mikayla highlighter and a $15 gift card. Okay, sorry my chair is creaky, but this is fucking amazing! Oh my god! Look at that! Look at her! She's gorgeous! Gorgeous, girl, gorgeous! I'm so excited. I'm gonna cry! So I ordered this the day it came out. I thought it was going to be sold out, and I was late, and I was hyperventilating and sad, and I kept losing service, but I got it. And I didn't get a signed one, which was totally fine, you know, shit happens. But I'm so excited! I had like barely looked at the collection because I didn't want to see it in like online and not in person, because I knew I was getting it. Oh, I like how loud this one is compared to the other one. Okay, ready? Oh, I love it. Oh, these lashes in high fashion. Oh, so pretty. Daydreamer. Oh, I love these. I'm so excited to use all of this. Are you ready? Toby, hush. It's about the makeup, not your... I am so excited right now. A highlighter. I need it all on my face right now. This is gorgeous. Can you just imagine? Last but not least, the bag. This thing is huge. Oh my god. I'm so excited to use this and take pictures of it. Oh my lord. Go follow me on Insta. Seriously, you've got to see these later.